Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a crochet leaf branch applique for beginners. So let's see. Start the slip knot, then chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip first chain, insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop, yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, make a slab stitch in next chain, chain 10 and repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Skip first chain, insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop, yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and 8 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, make a slab stitch in next chain, chain 10 and repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains and repeat. I crocheted 4 leaves, then make slab stitches in next chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slab stitches, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Skip first chain, insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop, yarn over, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, then make a slab stitch in same stitch, make a slab stitch in same stitch, make 4 slab stitches in next 4 chains, 1, 2 slab, 3, 4 slab stitches, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip first chain, insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Yarn we pull through all loops, chain 1, then make a slip stitch in same stitch, make a slip stitch in same stitch. Keep going. At the end, make slip stitches until you reach the starting. Make slip stitches in each chains until you reach the starting. At the end, chain 1, cut the yarn off. My leaf branch is ready. I appreciate your taking the time. I'm grateful for your support. Thank you for joining us today. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Thank you for looking. Wishing you success in everything you pursue. Bye guys.